In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dispose of a fixed asset in Xero. Disposing of an asset in Xero means you're recording that the asset has been sold, traded in, or scrapped so it no longer appears in your active register. This process also lets Xero calculate any final depreciation up to the disposal date and determine whether there's a gain or loss on disposal. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and explain what each field means so you can complete the task with confidence. Start by opening Xero and heading to the accounting menu. From there, go into fixed assets to work inside the asset register. In the fixed assets area, move to the registered section. This is where all assets that are currently active and available for disposal are listed. Find and select the asset or assets you're ready to dispose of. Take a moment to double check you've picked the correct item, especially if you have similar asset names or multiple items in the same category. It's a good idea to quickly glance at the asset's book value and depreciation to make sure the details look right before you continue. Next, choose Dispose. This opens the disposal screen where you'll enter the key details. In the Sales Proceeds field, type the amount you received for the asset. If you didn't receive anything because the asset was scrapped or written off, enter 0. The figure you put here is what Xero will use to calculate any gain or loss when compared to the asset's written down value. Select the sales proceeds account you want to use. This should be the account in your chart of accounts that you've designated for asset disposal proceeds or similar income. If you're unsure which account to use, follow your organization's accounting policy or ask your advisor to confirm. In the depreciation section for the current financial year, choose the option to recognize all depreciation up to and including a specific date. Then set the disposal date. This is typically the date you sold the asset or the date you stopped using it. Xero will automatically calculate final depreciation up to that day. Now, click Show Summary to preview the results. You'll see how the proceeds compare to the written down value, and Xero will present the expected gain or loss on disposal along with the movements in cost and accumulated depreciation. Finally, select Review Journals to see the draft accounting entries. Review the accounts, amounts, and dates to ensure they align with your records and supporting documents. When everything looks correct and consistent with your accounting policy, you've successfully completed the disposal workflow in Xero.